This vac is great. It vacuums and it also works as a blower. This is the back end where the air comes out when you vacuum. If you want to use it as a blower, it's got this little hole here and this little plate. So you take this piece here, you plug it in here. Now that little plate blocks this, and now it's going to blow air out of the back, so you can use it as a blower. This is an amazing shop vac, and a nice small size, lightweight, easy to carry. It's fantastic.